Hello everyone, this is Lano here, back with some more NIJISANJI. We're here to check out Enna Alouette. Is it Alouette? 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 I gotta call her Enna. And Enna's new song, Wish of This Songbird. I'm really curious because so far the things I've heard from Enna is just really amazing. The songs I've listened from her is just wow. So I'm excited to see what this original song is gonna be like. You know what? I'm excited for this. And yeah, let's jump right into this. The Wish of a Songbird.
A tale yet to be told.
Nani?
Far away in the realms of both chaos and paradise lived a wandering lost soul, aimlessly searching for inner peace.
Inner peace.
With past burdens dyeing their tainted feathers, the lost bird is granted a noble duty blessed upon by the divine.
Dude.
One who seeks harmony is obliged to mend the hearts of the many.
This is
Only through many will one find true tranquility within.
Dude.
And so began the journey of the lost bird.
Dude, it could be a Zelda game!
The answers they seek shall unlock a new chapter.
This is so cool! So unexpected.
Time flows once more. Return to all the sadness which seeps to my core. I first upon the endless light of graceful stars as I dance obliviously. お願い神様、この願いを叶えてくれよ。この世界に奇跡が存在するのか。
God!
Hear the wish of this song bird.
Dude, I'm getting fucking shivers. Jesus Christ. Okay, this is... This turned off very fast. That's creepy. What happened? My God! It's turning creepy fast.
Time flows once more as the weight of all my sins write a beautiful lore. Once in between these feathers hid deceit and a sorrowful soul. 今このときめきは二度目の人生に値すると証明してよ。
Dude! It's incredible. So good. it's such a beautiful instrumental in this.
This time I'll return to the world with my life and these white wings unfurled. My voice will chant the melody of love and light, mending our hearts tenderly. さあ歌えましょう。私の声が君に届けたい。月の出を見ながら Wish of this songbird.
God! Okay, this was freaking amazing. This was a freaking musical. Holy crap. I love the opening because it gave her like this, like, oh wow, like a lore, you know, background story. And it really gave me like Wind Waker vibes. I was like, oh my god, is this a new Zelda game? And then when the song, like, you have, first of all, I just want to say that Enna has an incredible voice, I would say. She has a style I just really love, which is then, you know, when she's singing and you hear this like vibrating, like instead of the voice being like it's more like I can't reproduce that sound myself because I can't sing, but I think that is just an amazing thing, and I fucking love that. And then singing both in English and then Japanese like this. And then it went like, was it like Latin or something like that? Because it sounded like something like, it went like, wow, so pretty. And hello, cat. How are you doing, Shanli? It went from like this very like beautiful and just sweet. And then it just turned this like, turned, oh, wow, we went dark very fast and sudden. And I guess it's kind of like, in a way though, it do make sense, like, especially when you see like the story of it, like the songbird is wishing, and you know, it looks like beautiful and all of that, but just like anything else, it's like our stuff, darkness underneath, and you don't know what is under the feather, so to speak. And I think it just was an incredible, beautiful, and oh my god, come here, Shelly, come here. Oh, come here, you little troll, capitalist troll. That's what you are. But yeah, seriously, this was incredible. I will have to say, I didn't expect this. I knew Enna was already a really incredible singer and all of that, but this was just phenomenal. And the way the song itself is just structured and built is just incredible. And I do also love the heavy use of violin and the string instruments, because I will have to say I have a boner for like violins and stuff like that. It is just so good. It's such a, and honestly, in general, it's such an instrument. It's a power move. I just love it. And in general, all these instruments just going well together, mixing from, you know, this very sweet, kind of uplifting to the like more dark, twisted. The switch. Dude, fucking fantastic. Fucking fantastic. And of course, links to the original song and Enna's channels in the description. Support her and all the people that have made this song and all possible. It is fucking fantastic. And I'm also terribly sorry if there was freezes in the video, because I have problems with my computer. It is causing random freezes, sadly, when I'm recording, and it's nothing I can really do about it. Then I get a new computer, which, who the fuck can afford that? Not me, at least. And yeah, so that happened. I'm terribly sorry about that. But at least I do hope you all enjoyed this song as much as I did, because this was an incredible song. I love this. And yeah, I will be back with more NIJISANJI and more stuff here on the channel. If it is something that you find fancy, and my cat, subscribe. It really do helps a lot. It just means a lot to me. I know I'm not a very big channel or anything like that, but I'm trying my little best here in the little corner I am. And of course, subscribe to Enna, because holy crap, this is amazing. And I will be back, so thank you for watching. See you later, and have a continuous super great day.